Hi, this is my second lesson on photo composition tricks, and this one's going to be about diagonal lines. And very simply, diagonal lines are just lines that go across a picture like this. If you have a photograph of something where, if you look at it, lines go this way or that, they can be achieved when you take a photograph through any number of tilting the camera, or the lines exist naturally. This is just a bunch of stairwells that all become diagonals. You get some diagonals on the sides there. So taking photographs with diagonal lines tends to make a really interesting artistic kind of effect. And I want you guys this week to think about diagonals. This website right here has got some content you should read, talking about whether the line rises or falls, whether it goes one direction or the other. That is something that you want to consider. And just read through all that. And then here's the exercise that they recommend at the end of this. Find a location where you can use a line to run diagonally through a picture. Take two pictures, one with the line descending into the picture from the left, the other rising to the right. To explain what that means just a little bit, first of all, I'm going to show you a few photos I've taken with diagonal lines. This one is a Ferris wheel that was just down by the water when I was on my Australia trip, and I thought it was kind of a cool looking Ferris wheel, and I photographed it before I got on, just up like that, so the line was diagonal. It's an interesting view of things, and sometimes when you take a photo with a good diagonal, it's from a different perspective. So let's take a look at a pretty standard thing in Australia, the Opera House and the bridge. That is not diagonal at all. In fact, it's just straight flat across the horizon, and it's a beautiful photo. It's a beautiful opera house, beautiful bridge, but looking at the bridge from a different perspective, that's the same bridge. But if you look at it this way, you've got this tremendous diagonal line that goes across it, right? If you look at it from the other direction, the diagonal goes the other way. So what I'd like you guys to do this week is find one diagonal that goes this way, find one diagonal that goes this way. The thing that you should do is take a look at this information, read everything on this page, and I've got that link on the Google form. Maybe go to Google itself and just check out some interesting photographs of diagonal lines if you need some inspiration. But take one each direction, okay? And after that, I'm going to have a little YouTube video that I'm going to send you to that shows how to take really good photos with your phone. And you're going to pick your favorite thing from that video and write about that. So hopefully you're getting something out of these photography lessons, and you're using the rule of thirds all the time now. Now you're going to be using diagonal lines next. And next week we'll get into S-curves. That's going to be it, guys. We are getting close to the end of the year. Hooray. So stay safe out there and take care.